Today, I'm gonna tell you how to lose 30 pounds eating nothing but Twinkies. And I know you're probably thinking, what the hell are you talking about? How am I gonna lose 30 pounds eating nothing but Twinkies? But bear with me because I'm gonna tell you exactly how to do that. My name is Julian and I am with Jack Vegans, where we help vegans shred fat, build muscle, tone up, and get fit. Now, before we dive in, it is very important to make this very clear. I'm not telling you to do a Twinkie diet or to eat nothing but Twinkies. I'm gonna tell you how to do it. If you do that, that's your problem and you're deciding to do that because I don't think this is the healthiest way to do it. And if you really want to lose weight, there are better approaches. However, it is possible and that's what I'm telling you about today. Now, there's actually someone that did this. Let me introduce you to Professor Mark Hobb. Professor Hobb ate nothing but Twinkies, Oreos, Doritos, and sugary treats for 2 months and he lost 27 pounds. Now, he also ate 1 protein shake a day and some veggies. But most of his meals were made of Doritos, Oreos, and Twinkies. Why did he do this? Why did he do this? He wanted to prove people that the main thing that causes weight loss and fat loss is calorie balance. So if you want to lose body fat and you want to lose body weight, the first thing that you need to do is put yourself in a caloric deficit. So that means that you need to be consuming fewer calories than the ones you burn. And when you do that, your body will use tissue as energy. Again, don't do a Twinkie diet, but put yourself in a caloric deficit and do it properly. The craziest thing about Professor Hobb is that he not only lost 30 pounds, but his bad cholesterol dropped 20% and his triglycerides dropped by 39%. So that right there shows you that one of the biggest benefits that you can get out of dieting is losing body fat and reducing your body weight. Higher body fats and higher body weights weigh down on your structures, on your joints, on your knees, on your ankles, on your hips. Heavier people also tend to have a higher risk of diabetes and more chronic inflammation. So what you gotta understand is that you can eat a healthy diet, a diet made of only healthy foods. But if you are struggling with your body weight, you will not be as healthy. The first thing that you gotta do is get your body weight under control. You gotta lower your body fat levels to something that is healthy. How do you do that properly? Again, don't do a Twinkie diet. I gotta say that many times to make sure that you actually don't do this because I don't want people doing that. So the first step is one, you gotta calculate your calories. That is what Professor Hobb did. He was eating 1,800 calories per day, which was the amount of calories that he needed to lose body fat. And what happened? He lost body fat and body weight. So calculate your calories and make sure that you're putting yourself in a caloric deficit. If you want help getting that done, there's a link in the description that's gonna take you to a free calorie calculator and we'll do all the math for you. We'll tell you exactly how many calories you need to be eating once you input your stats. And it's completely free. And if you don't wanna do that, you can also book a free consultation call with us. That is the second link in the description that tells you book a free consultation or go to jackvegancall.com and we'll basically let you know how we can help you with your fitness goals and how we can help you getting rid of extra body fat. Now, calculate your calories and be consistent. One thing that you gotta understand is that diets are everywhere. You can probably Google right now a diet and you will find something that's actually good. The problem is consistency, and this is what most people struggle with. So the mindset that you gotta have to make this happen is that I'm gonna diet for a short period of time. You don't want to diet for more than 10 weeks. When you diet for 10 weeks, then you'll know that you have a finish line. And once you know you have a finish line, you gotta understand you gotta be very strict for that amount of time. And a really good way to see this is figure out how much 10 weeks represent in the amount of years you've been alive. If you're someone who's 30 years old, then 10 weeks is basically nothing. It's a grain of sand in your life. If you're someone that's 40 years old, then even less than a grain of sand. If you're someone that's 50 years old, then well, just get it done. Because if you don't, then you will not have much time to do it. And another thing that you gotta understand is that habits compound. If you don't change your habits right now, you will not change who you are in 10 years. You gotta change the habits right now to become a different person in the future. But it all starts right now and today. So do not procrastinate it anymore. If you got weight to lose because you're not as healthy as you could be, then get started. And again, if you want our help with these goals, then you can click on the link below, book a free consultation. We'll see exactly what you want to accomplish with your goals. We'll see exactly how we can help you out. And if we can, we'll let you know about next steps. And if we can't help you out, we'll try to point you in the right direction. That is it for this short video. This is Julian signing off. And by the way, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you click the like and subscribe button. I'll see you all next time.